Keeping up with the motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
Hello students, this is Miss Pooja Katre, sports teacher from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Welcome you to the online teaching for the year 2020 to 2021. Let's know about game of handball. Index. The things that we will discuss about handball are: first, handball term; second, court line; third, handball equipment name; fourth, how much officials in the match; and last one, fifth, officials in the match. Handball terms. Before getting ready to play handball, one should know it is frequently used terms. These are common terms used to describe various activities in handball. Some terms used in professional handball matches are listed below. First, court player. The player playing on the court except the goalkeepers are known as court player. Second, goalie. A player who defends the goal while opposition attempts to score goals. A goalie or goalkeeper is permitted to play inside the goal area. Third, corner throw. This is thrown by attacking player from the corner of the court. It is done by throwing the ball by using either hand. A corner throw is given the attacking player while the ball played over goal line by a defending player or either side of the goal. Fourth, free throw. It is allowed to the opposition team while other team does foul during the game. The ball thrown from the line 9 meters away from the goal. Fifth, penalty throw. The penalty shot is thrown from the marks at distance of 7 meters from the goal. In penalty throw, the player is allotted to score goal, though direct throw into the goal center. Sixth, referee throw. This throw is done by referee to resume the game after the interruption of play caused by any other reason than mentioned above during the handball match. 7. Dive shot. It is a way of putting the shot in order to score goal by jumping above the floors towards the goal. It is done without touching the D line. 8. Goal. A goal is scored by throwing the ball into the goal post and confirmed by deciding that if the ball has hit the tap, make or not. Lines on the court. First, court line. Second, side line. Third, center line. Fourth, free throw line. It is 9 meter. Fifth, penalty mark. It is 7 meter. Sixth, goal area. It is 6 meter. 7. Goalkeeper line. It is 4 meter line. Equipments of handball game. Equipments in handball are essentials to sports and helps to participants in the game in much better way. This is a game that actually represents many different sports. Though there are many different types of handball games, but team handball and American handball are two most common forms of the game. The team handball is played as Olympic event and consists of two teams with the 7 players that try to throw the ball into the goal of opponent. It is somewhat similar to a cross between basketball and soccer. The equipment of handball game. First, handball court. Second, handball ball. Third, goal. Fourth, handball shoes. And last one, fifth, handball gloves. Officials in the match. A handball match is led by two equal referees. First, goal line referee. Second, the court referee. Officials in the match. A handball match is led by two equal referees, namely the goal line referee and the court referee. Two referees with the equal authority shall be in charge of each game. They are assisted by a timekeeper and a scorekeeper. The referees stand diagonally aligned so that each can observe one sideline. Depending on their position, one is called field referee and other is goal referee. This position automatically switch on ball turnover. They physically exchange their position approximately every 10 minutes and change side every 5 minutes. Court referee and goal referee have complete authority. Decisions are final. This is part 7 video of handball theory. In the next video, we will discuss about some important points. Thank you so much, dear students. Take care, stay home and stay safe.